that, Izzy?
Do you like that, Iz? Is that Dora? Izzy? Izzy? Oh, look at you typing. 50 words a minute.
Who's that?
Say thank you.
Can you say thank you?
Say thank you, Uncle Claudio and Auntie Candice. That might be a bit of a mouthful.
That's possible. Can you say thank you, Claudio? Can you
Good girl.
thank you, Candice?
Good girl.
Good girl.
Do you like? Yay! Do you love your new laptop? Laptop. Does this mean you can stop stealing Mummy and Daddy's? Dora! Yay! Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Who's that? Oh. Oh. Who is it? Is that your little buddy? Wow. Do you like your little friend? Say hi. Hi, Izzy.
Hi, Luca. Hi, Devon.
Say hi. Can you say hi, Claudio? Hi, Candice. Hi, Cloudy. Hi, Candice. No? Can you just say hi? You've got a cold. Look, there's your little friend, Luca. Bzz. Oh no, it doesn't bzz. You like him, hey? I'll give it to you in a minute, okay? Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.